talk about optimization and operational excellence. And really, if you move from the bottom left to the top right, or just up, you'll see degree of complexity and really value in operational excellence. So we start, and we've been doing a lot of the stuff on the bottom for years and years and years. We call it descriptive. We're getting data, we're turning it into reports, we're seeing what's happened in the past. Great, we're being able to have some dashboards. And that's telling us what has happened in the past. How many, how often, where. What exactly is the problem? And then we get into the next level, which is predictions. Understanding and then predicting what's going to happen in the future. So that's where you start taking the alerts, simulating, forecasting, predictive modeling, what could happen, what will happen next if. And then the ultimate is really when you get to the top, where you're talking about optimization, where it's prescriptive, deciding and acting based on historical, based on predictions, to take those decisions. And those decisions could be for the good of the grid, so of course for utilities, but also then for the good of the consumer. So really what we're trying to do is go up that sort of arrow to the top right, where you're going to have the most optimized and benefits for the grid and for those who consume energy. And I think typically, and again, this is just from the grid side, we're going to talk a little bit about the consumer side and the standard side now, so I'm just going to focus a little bit on the grid. Utilities, they're finding that they used to operate in silos. They still operate in silos. We're trying to move that away, but it's really about IT and OT, or operational technology and information technology, and the convergence of that, and the convergence of the domains that have typically existed in utilities, from the grid in the top to the customer on the left to the work and asset management on the right. And we're seeing that those domains are really becoming one. They have to share information. Typically, there's been information or data collected in each one of those domains, and they meet those domains. So, you could say